This is Mike from Ki5. In this video, I'm going to introduce how to do rotary marking with Ki5 Ki5 UV inner laser machine. The first thing is check your rotary drive box. Open the set cover to adjust current and PPR settings. If you have no idea for how to set, just set it same as in my video. Micro step 6405 ampere for current. Connect the rotary drive box with machine and connect rotary with drive box. After you set your rotary and fixed your product, you need to use this to check the angle of your product. Make sure the bubble is in the center. Okay, now go to the software part. First, open any project you have previously saved. For example, this one, Ki5. And then go to Project X stick mark. And then open the document you have already saved. This one. And set the diameter of your object. In my case, it is 57, and split size, we suggest set it to 1. And now we can see the lines. It is the split lines. If we choose X-axis, it will be this direction, and if we choose Y-axis, it will change the direction of the line. In my case, my rotary is in the Y direction, so I choose Y-axis. And we need to set current position as 0. And we go to X settings. Then choose calculate. Choose XY. Set turns to 6400 and OK. And then we can click this for position check. And click this for preview. And click mark for real mark. After we made everything, we can save it as a project. And next time, when we open this, we can open this project and everything is back. Okay, see you. Let's have a look at the result. See you in next video.